Now we'll move on to the meaning and what the koiri represents. The most common meaning for the koiri is to nurture or look after, like we have in this example. It's the watering can looking after the pot plant here. One of the other things it can also mean is self-reflection, as the koiri is a koru turning in back on itself. You could look at it as that's you, this koru, looking back on yourself. So hence why it can also mean self-reflection. But in most cases, the koiri is used to represent nurturing or looking after. Now let's move on to some examples of how we can apply koiri into Māori art. So here we have a few examples of the koiri and how it can be applied in different ways. One of the ones you